Hello everyone, good evening. It's 9 p.m. and we are in Bangalore airport. So this is a bit unexpected and was not really planned, but we are flying to Paris tonight. Well, to France, Paris. Then we have a connecting flight to where my parents live on the western coast, close to England. So yeah, not really planned, but we are going to France tonight. So we just entered the airport. It's empty. So we were, I don't know, we had to go through the military that check passport and your tickets. Very well organized, I have to say, super clean, very well organized. And now we are going to check in. So just few suitcases. We are going for 5 weeks to France and then back to India. So it's just a temporary thing. Ça va, Sienna? Ouais. We are checking now. Okay, checking done, immigration done, and now we need to go through security, and then we can enter the actual terminal, international terminal. But there is no air conditioning, so usually it's quite cold here in Bangalore airport, but now it's not cold at all. It's even warm. But no AC for the virus. Security done. Okay, so entering the airport was very easy, checking was okay. Security was a bit longer, even though there's no one, they really checked an awful lot. I don't know. And we had many toys for Sienna, we had to show. Anyway. And then after security, this lady escorted us to this lounge, which cool. So cheers to that. It's empty also, I think just a couple of people with us, and yeah. So our flight is in 2 hours, so now we'll have dinner and chill, and probably Sienna will fall asleep. And then we should wake up in Paris. And then we have a 4-hour connection. We will need to have a COVID test, not Sienna, just Gabriel and I. I hope it doesn't hurt too much, and then we have a connecting flight to Brittany, West Coast. Okay, see you later. Bangalore airport. Past midnight, usually packed, very busy. Now, empty. I can have one, yeah? Okay. For the trip. Giving us. Thank you very much. Thank you. Sienna is still sleeping. Hopefully, all flight. Namaste.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you, bonjour. Flight is pretty empty. Not even, I don't know, 30-40%, I don't know.
Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelts must be securely fastened.
Hey, good morning, sir. We just landed in Paris and we are exiting the aircraft. So now we need to find a place where we can have the COVID test. Okay, we filled the form for Gabriela and I, and now we need to head to do the test. Let's see. Okay, I just had the test done. I was not allowed to film with the GoPro. It's not allowed. Wow. It doesn't hurt, but it's very, I don't know how to explain. Wow. I feel like sneezing. Okay, so after the test we had to actually get out of the terminal. We cannot go back like a usual connection, so now we are out and we need to enter again Terminal 2F where the connections are. If you fly to France and you have a connecting flight and you need to have the test done, take a long layover, a long connection. We have 4 hours. Brittany was the only one anyway to go where we go, but make sure you have at least 2-3 hours. Croissant for Sienna, and Gabriel and I are having a French bread with cheese and vegetables. Sandwich français. The big difference on Air France or any airline, I guess, is the food on board. Last night we had no dinner, like a tiny piece of Kit Kat and 2 or 3 pieces of fruit, like really nothing. And the breakfast this morning was close to nothing also, so really quite hungry now. So French sandwich, okay. Bon appétit. Hello, just landed in Rennes, Brittany, so all the way west in France, close to South England, and it's 1 hour flight from Paris, and then my parents just picked us up and now we will go to their house where I grew up. So it's about 20 hours already that we left our home in Bangalore. So quite a trip, but Sienna's good. She slept this little flight from Paris, 1 hour. She slept the whole flight, and that's it. So okay, let's go home, the place where I grew up. See you later. Hello. So after a journey of 24 hours, we finally made it to my parents' house in Brittany. 2 flights, 1 hour drive. Long trip, but here we are. So we took a shower, had a very nice dinner with French cheese, French wine, French bread. It was very good. And yeah, so Gabriela is getting Sienna to sleep now, and hopefully a good night's sleep tonight, so we can recover, because we couldn't really sleep last night in the flight. It's always hard to sleep during a night flight. But anyway, here we are in France. So we'll stay here 6 weeks and then back to India. Okay, see you soon. Take care. Have a good day.